Imagine you've fallen into icy water while kayaking. What do? First, control your breathing to avoid gasping from the cold shock. Slow, steady breaths. Second, avoid swinging your arms wildly to conserve body heat. Third, get back into your kayak. If possible, flip the kayak upright and climb back in. If that's not possible, hold on to it to stay afloat. Swim to the nearest shore if you can. Remove wet clothes to reduce heat loss once on land. Finally, signal for help using your whistle, your radio, your flare, anything to signal distress. Remember, time is against you in cold water.